Hi everyone, what are we learning? Parts of speech. Do you remember how many parts of speech are there? 8 parts of speech are there. And what are they? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. इसमें नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब हमने सीखा है. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. And verb is an action word. Next part of speech is adverb. An adverb tells us when, where or how the action of a verb takes place. An adverb tells us when, where or how the action of a verb takes place. Adverb हमें बताता है कि क्रिया या वर्ब कब, कहाँ या कैसे होती है. See these adverbs. Happily, carefully, very, sadly, loudly, joyfully, angrily, quietly, carelessly, energetically, nervously. Now see these adverbs in sentences. She came here yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday is the adverb. Look, it is raining outside. Here, outside is the adverb. The boy was shouting loudly. Here, loudly is the adverb. The sun was shining brightly. Here, brightly is the adverb. The train was running fast. In this sentence, fast is the adverb. Now tell me, what is an adverb? An adverb tells us when, where or how the action of a verb takes place. Next part of speech is preposition. A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence. Preposition is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence. Preposition एक वर्ड है जो एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन को वर्ब या एडजेक्टिव से जोड़ता है. See these prepositions. In, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. Here, in मतलब अंदर या में, इसमें. On पर, ऊपर. अंडर नीचे. नेक्स्ट टू पास इसके पास. बिहाइंड पीछे. इन फ्रंट ऑफ सामने इसके सामने. बिटवीन बीच में. Now we use these prepositions in sentences. The boy ran after the ball. इसमें after is the preposition. A little girl stood under a tree. Here under is the preposition. There was a cow in the garden. Here in is the preposition. Next part of speech is conjunction. A conjunction is used to join words or sentences. A conjunction is used to join words or sentences. Conjunction words और sentences को जोड़ता है. See these examples. Yet, so, for, and, but, or, because, nor. Now we use these conjunctions in sentences. She worked hard but failed. She worked hard but failed. Here but is the conjunction. Rani and Neha are good friends. Rani and Neha are good friends. Here and is the conjunction. The baby was crying because it was hungry. The baby was crying because it was hungry. Here because is the conjunction. I am going to London or Africa. I am going to London or Africa. Here or is the conjunction. She is tired yet she has lots of work to do. Here yet is the conjunction. Next part of speech is interjection. An interjection expresses some strong or sudden feeling. इंटरजेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग और सडन फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करता है. हियर इज सम एग्जाम्पल्स. हे, वेल, आउच, वाव, ओ, या, हुरे, हाय. Now look at these interjections in sentences. Hooray! We have won. In this sentence, hooray is the interjection. Oh, Lucy, how foolish you are. In this sentence, oh is the interjection. Wow, what a beautiful car. इसमें wow is the interjection. Ouch, it hurts. Here, ouch is the interjection. Hope you understand all the parts of speech. How many parts are there? 8. What are those parts? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. That's all for today, and your homework is write any 20 verbs. कोई भी 20 verbs लिखे, and copywriting should be done. Don't forget to write in your copywriting book. Thank you. See you tomorrow.